I like to think of STEM as action. So it's science, technology, engineering, and math in movement. It's very hands-on learning. When teachers are teaching things in the classroom, everything that is happening in the STEM labs supports the learning that's going there. So it allows our STEM director to actually infuse the learning that's already happening in a deeper, more hands-on experience. It completely supports the learning in the classroom.
I think it's cool to see not only little boys light up when they see the robots, but also when the little girls walk into class and they say, "Are we using the robots today?" Or "Do we get to build with the big Legos?" And I think that it's so neat to even teach them that they are capable of working the robots and coding and doing those things that not necessarily people are usually enforcing in little girls or saying that they can do that. And I think that it's preparing them for STEM fields down the road to let them know that it is possible to be an engineer when they grow up, or it is possible to be able to write JavaScript on a computer. Because I think that by fostering this mindset as little kids, like, they know that they can do it now, and they know that it is a possibility, and it is cool.
We do project-based learning from kindergarten all the way up to 12th grade, and in many of those situations, it's reaching out to the community and saying, what's a problem you have and how can we solve it?
STEM is a fundamental component to help students see the world around them, the products that they use every day, the buildings, the cars they drive, and the application of that knowledge. Students are able to see how it applies to everyday life and to a possible career in a STEM field.
One of our team members has a parent that is a CEO in the industry and has been so helpful to me as a coach and encouraging me that the most important work that I'm doing as a coach is not the engineering and it's not the programming. It really is helping these students work together as a part of a team. If we can help our students to do that well, they'll have the most important skill, which is the people skill.
Part of STEM education is collaboration. So that collaborative aspect of what we're doing with robotics really adds to the sense of belonging here at CCS.
In a typical high school community, at least a traditional high school community, there are certain gifts and talents that end up being showcased a lot, and others that fall through the cracks and are never seen. One of the things I appreciate most about robotics is it takes a group of these students and it gives them an opportunity to use them as a part of the team in competition publicly and even before the rest of their teammates, to where they really feel like they play a valuable role in the life of the school.
We always send out our students who are going to state championships in athletics. We send them out with clapping in the high school. Well, our high school robotics team had that opportunity this year. To have that experience, to feel like, hey, this school supports what I do at CCS. I belong to this school and everybody here thinks what I'm doing is awesome. Our students see, hey, I'm representing my school in something like this. So it's giving our students a place to show what their gifts and talents are.
When you have a team of 3 or 4 or 5 students, they have to communicate. They have to understand one another. They have to empathize. They have to evaluate and try out ideas. And even after disagreement and after failure, they still have to be a team and they still have to work together and they still have to communicate. That's the kind of stuff that students are learning that's going to influence them for the better for the rest of their lives.